Thus in Bhagavad Gita, the blessed Sri Krishna recommends regulations for diet and sleep for a yogi. If one eats too much or if one eats too little, if one sleeps too much or if one does not sleep much enough, then that person can never become an yogi. This is the essence of the text 16 in chapter 6 of Bhagavad Gita. Ati ashnataha tu yogaha na asti ekantam anashnataha nachaha ati swalpashilasya nachaha jagrataha chanayeva arjuna. Ati ashnataha tu yogaha na asti ekantam anasnataha nachaha ati swalpashilasya chanaha jagrataha chanayeva arjuna. It is elucidated that there is ample supply of grains, leaves, fruits and vegetables in this planet. This order of eating such food is in the mode of sattvaha, the mode of goodness. It is also imputed that there is no need to eat animal food and artificial food. There is no need to drink and smoke. That is believed to be intoxicated. And there is no need to sleep less or sleep more. Then this second-rated person who eats too much, who eats artificial food and animal food, and who drinks and smokes, that is believed to be intoxicated, is believed to live in the mode of ignorance. And the soul is believed to transmigrate into an animal which eats another animal. This second-rated habits is termed as wasteful, mad and crime-prone. This stands as the meaning of text 16 in chapter 6 of Bhagavad Gita. At another place in Bhagavad Gita, it is elucidated. Shrunu me paramam vachaha shrutva pyenam Yatha ichchasi tatha kuru. Listen to my words completely, and after listening, do as you like. I'll give you freedom to live as you please. As a player, either in the mode of ignorance or in the mode of goodness. Thank you for listening, and goodbye to that.